How will you be able to identify a context clue? These are the techniques. 4 types of context clues. Generally, a context clue can be categorized into one of 4 types. First is definitions or restatements. Definitions or restatements. It defines the precise meaning of a vocabulary word in a sentence itself, following the vocabulary word. Definition gives exact meaning or the definition of a word. Commas or parentheses containing a descriptive phrase directly after the vocabulary word and a positive can also point you in the right direction by defining or restating. Examples. Anita's duplicity, grave dishonesty enabled her to steal Marion's chickens. So the definition of duplicity is grave dishonesty. If you visit Boracay, you will see spectacular view or remarkable sceneries that will amaze you. The definition of spectacular is remarkable sceneries. Teresita was indignant, fuming mad, when she discovered the mistress of Bonito. The definition of indignant is fuming mad. The second one is synonyms. Synonyms. Use similar words and phrases to a vocabulary word to help give that word meaning. They are used to paint a clearer picture and for emphasis. Remember, class, there are no such thing as words with the same in meaning, only similar in meaning, and the meaning of the word varies according to its client. So, for example, her glib, superficial face reflected her outrageous personality. My opponent's move in a chess game is fallacious, erroneous, leading to his defeat. So for the first sentence, the synonym of glib is superficial. For the second sentence, the synonym of fallacious is erroneous. The third one, we have antonyms or opposites. Antonyms. Antonyms are the reverse of synonyms. It means opposites to define unknown vocabulary words. It applies contrast to give meaning. Example, it was your duplicity that caused me to break up with you. If you had been honest, I wouldn't have done that. So the antonym for duplicity is honesty. Although some women are loquacious, others hardly talk at all, like Tess. So loquacious means talkative, and the opposite or the antonym for loquacious is hardly talk at all. Examples or explanations. That is the fourth one. Examples or explanations. This type of context clue uses examples to help the reader infer the meaning of a vocabulary word. Examples can be helpful in illustrations as context clues. Examples. The patient is so somnolent that she requires medication to help her stay awake for more than a short time. So somnolent, the explanation for somnolent means requires a medication to help her stay awake for more than a short time.